You won't believe what we buried in these floors. From real money and candy to a glowing galaxy. Let's build the most satisfying floors ever. Project 1. We are using thousands of real copper pennies. The glue down is tedious, but wait for the shine. Time to seal the wealth. Pouring the crystal clear resin. Look at that copper glow. It's literally $1 million floor. Let's dig deep. We are turning this bedroom into an archaeological site. Stones, dirt, and ancient swords. Now for the magic. Pouring electric blue epoxy to create a river. A quick torch pass, and it looks like a museum exhibit buried under glass. Project 3 is for the tech lovers. A metallic silver base looks like liquid mercury. Placing real motherboards and neon lines. We are literally living inside a computer. High-tech luxury. Bad luck. No, this is pure art. Smashing mirrors into pieces and laying them on a jet black base. Sealing the sharp glass with thick resin. It sparkles like thousands of diamonds. Absolutely blinding. Can you smell the aroma? We are dumping sacks of real roasted coffee beans. spreading them out for the perfect texture. The clear coat locks them in forever. Rich, dark, and organic. The perfect floor for a coffee lover. Let's go to space. Black epoxy meets nebula blue and purple swirls. Blending the colors is the best part. Adding glitter for the stars. Once we torch it, the depth is infinite. A 3D galaxy right in your gaming room. Every kid's dream. Pouring the white glue base, and here comes the explosion of color. Spreading thousands of Lego bricks. No stepping on these. Sealed under glass, it's the ultimate colorful playroom. Now for pure royalty. Jet black resin and 24-karat gold leaf flakes. Throwing the gold creates a chaotic but rich pattern. Adding white marble veins and sealing it up. The torch reveal shows a mirror finish. This screams luxury. Back to the future. Silver base again, but this time with fluorescent paint and neon wires. The green splatter gives it a glitch effect. Under the clear coat, it glows. The perfect cyberpunk aesthetic. Warning, do not eat the floor. Dumping gummy bears and lollipops onto a white base. It's a rainbow rain. A little glitter, a lot of resin. The sugar is trapped forever. The sweetest floor design we've ever done. Bringing the vacation home. Real golden sand meets deep blue ocean resin. Look at that shoreline. Using a heat gun to create realistic white foam waves. Adding shells and sealing it up. A permanent tropical paradise. Lights out for this one. Black base with neon green glow powder veins. It looks radioactive. When the lights go off, the magic happens. Bioluminescent roots glowing in the dark. Straight out of a movie. The grand finale. Pearl white epoxy and liquid gold lines. We are creating a giant geode rock. Adding real amethyst crystals and diamond dust. The final torch pass reveals the masterpiece. Which floor was your favorite? Let me know.